Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, I welcome you in the social class as we have started our 19th lesson, reaching out. Reaching out. REACHING. Reaching out. Okay. And students, this explanation we have finished. Like India, as we know that India is a vast country with various or diverse terrain. Okay, and as we have seen that about the communication and the history of communication and the traveling, communication, I know maybe you have practiced this word in the last video, COMMUNICATION, communication and traveling. Okay, TRAVELLING, traveling. Communication means talking or sharing our ideas with each other, or traveling means traveling from one place to another place. Okay, moving from one place to another place. So we are having options on both, like transport as well as in communication, and we have seen that the means of communication as we have, and postal service we have seen. Postal service is perhaps the most common and the cheapest means of communication. India has the largest postal network, okay, in the world. Postcards, inland letters, envelopes, postage stamps are some of the things that we need to communicate through these means. So as we know that it's very urgent message, we can send through a telegrams or the sped post. Okay, and as we can buy this easily from the neighborhood post office, so it is a means of transport. So such as trains and aeroplanes help us to carry these letters and parcels to place inside as well as outside the country. Okay, till here we have seen, students, as email. Okay, email is an electronic mail. ELECTRONIC, electronic mail. MAIL, mail, electronic mail. Electronic mail, LECTRONIC, electronic mail. MAIL, mail is a popular means. Electronic mail is a popular means of communication today. We are using these electronic mails as a communication today, and we send an email through the internet. We send this email through internet, and which is worldwide network of computers. Okay, fax, FAX, fax. Fax is another quick way of communicating, and a fax is a message which can be sent instantly, or within a time or within a seconds we will send it instantly. We will send this fax. Now coming to the telephone network, TELEPHONE, telephone network, 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 TELEPHONE, telephone, NETWORK, network. Telephone network connect us to relatives, friends, and near and dear. Once all the time we call our people staying in India, we use the STD, or STD full form is subscriber trunk dialing system. Subscriber, SUBSCRIBER, subscriber trunk, 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 dialing, DIALING, dialing system, SYSTEM, system. So to call people staying in India, we use the STD number. To call up those who stay out of the country, out of the India, in another country, we use ISD. Okay, ISD. What is that? That is the International Subscriber Dialing System. International. INTERNATIONL. International Subscriber. SUBSCRIBER. Subscriber Dialing, DIALING, dialing system, SYSTEM, system. Mobile phone help us to keep in touch with while we are traveling also, and it surely brought people closer to close, very close. So the postal system, the telephone network, emails, fax, and telephones calls are all personal means of communication. These postal service, email, telephone network, fax, These all are known as a personal means of communication. Okay, so I hope students till here you have understood. So practice the hard words. Thank you. Bye bye.